Hey, I'm Sunny with WTI, and as a mom of two very small boys, I find it almost impossible to keep my car clean. But I picked up this handy dandy handheld cordless vacuum by Black+Decker, and I'm telling you, this is the cleanest my car has, I think, ever been. And for such a powerful vacuum, as you can see, it's really not that loud. It's lightweight, it's really easy to use, and this vacuum really has great suction and packs a powerful punch. Look at all the dirt that this vacuum picked up. It has such great suction, and even the corners that I couldn't get to, I simply put the brush back, pulled out the extension, and I was able to get into those little crevices that I couldn't reach at first. This little vacuum picks up everything. This vacuum also comes with its own charging port. When you sit it on the charger, you can see the blue light illuminate, and you know that it's charging and ready for your next vacuum. So if you're thinking about picking up this vacuum, definitely pick up this vacuum by Black+Decker. I love that it's handheld, there's no cord, fast charging, great suction, and it fits right in the trunk of my car. I'm no longer embarrassed to have people get into my car and have to say, "Excuse the mess." I know I love it, and you're going to too, but that's my point of view.